Have you ever wondered why some people barely market themselves but still have clients lined up, while others are posting daily, running ads, messaging leads, and still getting ghosted? Well, it's not luck. It's not fancy branding. It's one sentence, a one liner that instantly makes high ticket clients think, hmm, I need this person. If you get this one sentence right, you'll have clients lined out to you, no chasing, no convincing, no price negotiations. And the best part, you can craft this today and start seeing responses in 7 days or less. That's my guarantee. Now, let me show you how. Why most people struggle? Well, most business owners make one big mistake when introducing themselves. They say, I do digital marketing. I am a business coach. I help businesses grow. Now, these statements are forgettable. They don't trigger interest or start conversations. Here's the truth: high ticket clients don't care what you do, they care about what they get. So instead of focusing on your title, you need a sentence that makes them say, tell me more. The easiest way to do this, I call it cash one liner formula. It goes like, I help X achieve Y in Z time frame without their biggest frustration. Now, this works because it does four things at once. Here, X is the audience, Y is the goal they want to achieve, Z is the time frame, and biggest frustration. So this works because it does four things at once. It clarifies who you help so the right people self-identify. It promises a clear result so they know what they'll get. It sets a time frame so it feels urgent, actionable, and it adds a certainty that I'll get results in this period. It removes a major objection so they don't hesitate. Now let me show you some more examples. Example 1, business coaching. What's a weak pitch as a business coach? I help businesses get clients. That's a weak pitch. Sure, a lot of people are there who say the same thing. What's a strong one-liner? I help agency owners book 3 to 5 premium clients in 30 days without spending on ads. Why this works? It has a clear, desirable outcome, which is 3 to 5 premium clients. It gives a specific time frame, which creates urgency and adds certainty, which is 30 days. It removes the biggest hesitation, which is without ads. Now, when an agency owner struggling with lead generation sees this, they immediately think, how do you do that? Right? Second example, fitness coaching. What's a weak pitch as a fitness coach? I help people get fit. That's a weak pitch. It does not have a result. It does not target any audience. It does not add any certainty to it, and it does not remove any objection. So, how will you make a high impact one liner? It goes like, I help busy professionals lose 10 kg in 90 days without giving up their favorite food. You see what I did there? It addresses my ideal customer, which is busy professional. It adds specific and realistic goal, losing 10 kg in 90 days. It removes the fear of diets. So I said, without giving up on the favorite food. So instead of people thinking, oh, it's just another gym trainer, they DM you asking for details. And trust me, I've tried this for some of the biggest fitness coaches in India, and it works. It clearly works. Real estate sales. Example 3. What's a weak pitch? I sell houses or I sell shops. Yep, nothing. No certainty, no promise, no removing objection. So, what's a powerful one liner? I help first time buyers own a home in Mumbai in 60 days without loan headaches. Now, instead of being, oh, just another broker or just another realtor, you'll become the go to person for buyers who need help fast. How do you get clients in 7 days? If you want clients reaching out instead of you chasing them, do this. There are 3 steps. If you want to make notes, do it. Post your one liner on LinkedIn, Instagram, or WhatsApp today. DM 10 people in your network and use it in your introduction, this one liner. Join 3 business groups. You can simply just Google them, or you can just go to LinkedIn and just look for those groups. Join 3 business groups and comment using your one liner whenever relevant. I guarantee you, you'll get at least one interested lead. And I'm being very humble here. You'll get at least 10 interested leads within 7 days. If not, there might be something wrong with your positioning. Write your one liner in comments. I'll personally review and refine the best ones. If you want more breakdowns like this, subscribe because I'm bringing a lot of value in the future. So, yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.